Hello, welcome back to CompXM 2024-2025, the top 10 reading tips around 4 to get the top result. Details guide tip. This video gives the details guide tip for round 4 to get the top result. If you follow the right strategy, you can get the result like you see on the screen, the top result of round 4, and also the final game, right? You see the top result, and also you get the top sale and top profit, top market share around 47%. And the stock price going up in round 3 and 4 to the top, like you see on screen, much higher than all the other competitors. And finally you get the result of 900, around 935 out of 1000, right? So I show you the detail now. So first for round 4, you just keep update the product using the Excel file you created from round 1. If you don't see that, you can come back with the video of round 1 to get that. Remember, do not use the number here and paste into the game, because the number, the order may be different. I show you that you need to open the industry condition report. You can check the video of round 1 to see that industry condition report has a specific number for each student. This number different from student to student. You need to copy it from your game and paste into the Excel file to create the number for your game. And then you can update for 8 rounds, and each round you need to open the report here to find the number you need to show to calculate the sale forecast, right? So remember that I say again and again that you don't copy the number, you learn the strategy I'm showing you, and then you can apply with your game. And for the marketing, we just keep reduce the price by 50 cents because you have the top selling product. Now I show you the trick here, you get the top selling product, right? And you don't have the lowest price, you have the most competitive price, you still sell the best, right? And for the core here, you have the top selling product, but you see that no need to be the lowest price, you have the top product, top market share, and the higher price, higher profit. For the nano also that, and for the elite also the same. So the lesson here is that you don't have to be the lowest price, you need to be the most competitive price that can sell and get the top sale and top profit, right? So for the promotion and sale, use 2000. For this product, they reach 100% of customer. When it so you reduce to 1400 to maintain and calculate the sale forecast always one of the most important thing. You open the page 4 and get the number you need to show here, number inventories here, and use Excel file to calculate the sale forecast and put into the game like you see on the screen, right? The sale forecast here. And after that you come to the production, and then the sale forecast you calculated, and the inventory you come to production schedule. Use Excel file or calculate by manually for each round. It's okay. The capacity is high enough and automation optimal already. 10 for thrift and 8 for core nano elite, just 6, it is okay. For HR you just use 5080 hours. And for the finance in round 4 is important. We retire the stock and we pay some dividend. We can also retire long-term debts, right? So it still keep safe amount of cash to avoid emergency loan. So you see that's a TQM 1000 for all the 10 initiative again. And we check the performance income. We have very high sales and profit, much higher than last round. Last round we earned 350 million, and now we earn 428, and 36 million profit, and now we earn 6091. So very high sale and very high profit. So that's a video for round 4. You can gain top sale and top stock price like this and the top result, right? If you have any question, you can send the email to mbacim.faris@gmail.com or get the free support for our quiz run. Thank you for watching. Good luck and